Hello，大家好啊！我今日呢，大家都見到我條裙啦，就係我今晚會着嘅一條 gradient 裙啦。今日呢，我錄呢條片呢，就好似我上一條課嗰條片咁樣啦。但係呢，今日我就喺屋企自己化妝，所以應該就唔會唔記得錄噶啦。5點嘅時候我就會去我啲 friend 屋企啦，跟住佢屋企人會車我哋去食飯嗰度，再加影少少相咁樣咯。大家睇埋落去啦。OK， 而家呢嘅時間係12:50，咁而家呢，我就準備整頭。咁咧我就喺小紅書度呢見到一個好靚嘅頭，我而家就諗住試下得唔得？OK， 而家嘅時間係1:27，我係放棄咗頭先我嗰個諗住做嘅髮型，因為我整唔到，所以我就諗住用翻我 formal 嗰個頭咯，冇辦法之下，咁我陣間會捲一捲個頭，但係而家我諗住化咗個妝先咯。
2 hours later，
我咁講呢，我頭先用咗起碼10分鐘，用咗10分鐘嘅時間去帶個眼睫毛上去啦。平時都唔使用咁耐嘅。之後其實我喺度諗緊呢，係咪胭脂啊？因為你睇我塊面而家幾紅，哇，雙眼皮都出埋嚟啦，勁紅咯，係要搽啲唇膏嗰啲。不過而家去食嘢先。OK， 而家嘅時間呢係3:23，咁我都已經捲完個頭髮啦。唔知點解呢，我左邊係捲得勁靚啦，然後右邊係捲唔到咯，冇燃料。而家呢，我就係要整指甲，買咗呢隻新嘅假指甲。
My lips are pale.
Wearing Isabel's steady car right now. On the way to pick up Nasha.
Isabel. I can't wait to see Janelle. Where should we take pictures? Oh!
Got it on my YouTube channel. In my vlog.
I'm gonna meet. Excuse you. I see Jim Sim.
Oh my god. Guys, she's eating me, bro. Look! It's my vlog!
You're gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. YouTube! YouTube! Shush!
Hey YouTube. Come on. No. Shoot. There's a little person following me. It's a midget. It's a midget following.
I'm not gonna post it.
Me crying. It's a
I'm not gonna
midget.
post me crying.
You crying?
No, I'm not.
Oh, daddy moment. What is the time now, Kirsty?
Huh? It is, I don't know.
Your phone.
10:24.
10:24, we're at Glendale looking for ice cream. And there's Janelle and Serene taking selfies again for 2,000 times. And this in front we have Isabel, Nasha, and Tom, and Akara. Look out, crossing the road. It's 10:38 now. We've got ice cream ready. OK， 而家係11:40啦，咁我終於返到嚟屋企啦。跟住點解我生咗幾粒暗瘡嘅 ？Anyways， 咁我今日嘅 vlog 就到呢度啦。係啦，遲啲有機會喺香港再錄 vlog 啦。 我呢個靚樣靚到我都唔捨得卸妝啦。好啦，拜。
Not this one again. Little Jimmy.
你睇我塊面，我塊面。OK，而家時間咧係3點